All right, I promise you this one's not going to be nearly as long as the last one where we're going through all the different input types. So there is another option to structure the forms. So we did see that we can add in labels and how we can attach those to the different input and the different fields within the form. You can also group elements together within the form. So if, for instance, you want to group the first and last name separated, you can use fieldset. And wrapping it with the fieldset tag is going to create separation of that content. And I put it within the div tag. That's what was showing up right there. So let's do a refresh. And what this does is it creates a type of a box around the selected elements. And really with forms, there's so much you can do. There's a whole list of all of the different attributes for forms at the Mozilla Developer Network. So within the form elements, they can apply different attributes that can be applied, going through the whole list of the different attributes and how they compare to the elements. So you can definitely check that out if you want to find out more about forms. And as well, within the HTML references, it's got all of the different input types with code snippets and code examples of what they do.